In this video, we're going to learn how to fix and stabilize shaky footage using Warp Stabilizer in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start. First, place your shaky clip on the timeline and select the clip. Now, go to the effects panel. In the search box, type Warp Stabilizer. You'll find Warp Stabilizer under Video Effects. Simply drag and drop the effect onto your clip. As soon as you apply it, Adobe Premiere Pro will start analyzing the clip. You'll see a message saying, Analyzing in background. During this process, Premiere Pro studies the motion in your clip to understand how to stabilize it. Once the analysis is complete, you'll immediately see the result in the program monitor. Most of the shake will already be reduced. Now let's fine-tune the stabilization. In the Properties panel, you'll see the Smoothness slider. The smoothness controls how strong the stabilization is. Lower values give a more natural look. Higher values make the clip smoother but can crop or distort the frame more. You can adjust this depending on how shaky your original footage is. Next, look at the method option. Here, choose Subspace Warp. This is the default and most powerful method, and it works well for most handheld footage. Now, scroll down to the Advanced section. Here you'll find an option called Detailed Analysis. When enabled, Premiere Pro performs a deeper analysis of the clip, which can improve stabilization on complex or heavily shaky footage. After changing any settings, Premiere Pro may reanalyze the clip. Once it's done, preview the clip again to see the improved stabilization. That's it. You now know how to stabilize shaky footage using Warp Stabilizer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.